Have you ever wondered how a simple boy from Ramaswaram went on to become the President of India? And not just any president, but one fondly known as the People's President? Today we delve into the life of APJ Abdul Kalam, a man whose journey and achievements continue to inspire millions around the world. The tale of APJ Abdul Kalam begins on October 15, 1931, in Ramaswaram, Tamil Nadu. Born into a humble family, Kalam's early life was a struggle, marked by hardships and financial difficulties. However, these challenges could not dampen his spirit or his thirst for knowledge. Kalam's academic journey was as remarkable as his life. After finishing school, he went on to study physics at St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli. But his passion lay elsewhere, in the skies, in flight, and in the mysteries of the universe. This led him to the Madras Institute of Technology, where he studied aeronautical engineering. The year 1960 joined the Indian Space Research Organization, marking the beginning of his illustrious career. Here, he played a pivotal role in India's first satellite launch vehicle and earned the nickname India's Missile Man. Kalam's journey continued to soar. In 1992, he became the scientific advisor to the Defense Minister. Under his leadership, India conducted the Pokhran-2 nuclear tests in 1998, making India a nuclear-armed state. In 2002, Kalam reached what many would consider the pinnacle of success. He became the President of India. But for a man like Kalam, this was not a position of power, but a platform to inspire young minds. His term as a president is remembered for his humility, his integrity, and his unwavering commitment to the nation. Kalam's life was a testament to the power of dreams and the strength of determination. From a paper boy in Rameswaram to the President of India, his journey was nothing short of extraordinary. But Kalam was not just a scientist, a leader, or a president. He was a teacher at heart, a beacon of inspiration, and a true son of India. To summarize, APJ Abdul Kalam's life was a saga of hard work, perseverance, and unyielding spirit. He was a visionary leader, a remarkable scientist, and a man of immense integrity. His contributions to India's space and defense programs were instrumental, and his tenure as president was marked by humility and dedication. Kalam truly embodied the idea that with passion and perseverance, anyone can reach the stars, no matter where they start. So, as we remember APJ Abdul Kalam, let's not just remember his achievements, but also the man he was: humble, dedicated, and forever curious. A man who taught us to dream, and more importantly, to work hard to turn those dreams into reality. As Kalam said, "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action." And that, dear listeners, is the legacy of APJ Abdul Kalam. A legacy of dreams, of action, and of an unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit.